Setting line type scale. We can change the line type scale to globally change the lengths of dashes and spaces in line types. And we do this so that we can match our standard drafting practices and line conventions so they look better. And remember, this is a global system variable, so globally changes all the lines in the drawing that have dashes or spaces. To do this, we go on the command line and type in LT scale. Stands for line type scale. Oop, gotta spell it right. LT scale, and hit enter. By default, it's at 1. When we set the value smaller than 1, it makes the dashes smaller. When we make the value larger than 1, it makes the dashes larger. So in this case, you can see my center lines look okay. I got a long dash, a short dash, and a long dash. It looks pretty good. But my circle hidden lines, there's not many hidden lines, so I want to have more dashes. So I'm going to change it to 0.5. And now you can see I have a lot more dashes, and my center lines got more dashes in it too. So it's a happy medium. You have to look at your entire drawing and say, what looks right? Is there too many or not enough? If I say, well, let's try something else, it's kind of trial and error a little bit. I go 0.75, and I can say, yeah, that looks okay, but maybe I like, 0.5 better. Let's go and take a look at what happens when we go the other direction. Let's go 1.5, for example. And you can see I get less of a line type here, and that's not as good. So essentially I'm going to type in LT scale, and I'm going to go in at about 0.6, and I say, yeah, that looks pretty good. And so it globally changes all of our dashes and spaces of our any kind of line that's not continuous. And we just have to visually check and experiment until we get the results we want.